Okay, this is just a little close-up of the strobe on the wheel, just to kind of get a better view of it. It wasn't that I wasn't close enough to it in the other movie, so this is just to kind of help with checking out how it works and what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and run the advance up to 20. I hope it will appear at 20 on the wheel. Okay, you can see it. It reads 20, so you can check your advance mechanism or advanced electronics, whichever you have. And you can see I round the RPM up to 3,200, and it's still there at 20. You may have some anomalies there because of the camera sync, but there you go. Thanks for watching.